If you don't want to live like everyone else, you have to be willing to do what everyone else won't. Someone told me that when I was young. I had no degree, no money, no connections, just a capybara with a plan. And today, I'm going to share the 5 mistakes that kept me broke and how avoiding them changed everything. Stay until the end. Number 5 is the one nobody talks about. Let me paint you 2 pictures. Picture A, you find a boring job, good salary, your friends think you're killing it, you save decent money every month, but here's what happens. Your earning potential hits a ceiling and it never moves. Now picture B, you take a harder job, lower pay, maybe you struggle for a year or 2, your friends think you're falling behind, but your skills compound and your earning potential, it grows with no ceiling in sight. Path A chases money. Path B chases skills and ownership. Every self-made millionaire chose Path B. Stop asking how much does it pay. Start asking, what will I learn and can I own a piece of this? The highest value skills right now, copywriting, video editing, programming, learn one, master it, then use it to build something you own. Your skills are the one asset nobody can take from you. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine driving through Dubai in a yellow Lamborghini. You pull up to a restaurant, you order a $500 steak without blinking. Feels good, right? Now here's the truth. Most people living that life are broke. The Lamborghini rented for the weekend, the Dubai trip, financed on a credit card, the steak, the most expensive bad financial decision they made that day. It's a performance, not a reality. Social media made it dangerously easy to look rich, but looking rich and being rich are opposites. 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. 60% of families can't afford a new car. Yet everyone's feed looks like a luxury lifestyle magazine. You cannot buy depreciating things and build wealth at the same time. It's one or the other. Stocks, real estate, businesses, index funds, these grow. Buy the Lamborghini when you can buy 10 of them and not feel it. Until then, invest the difference, every single dollar. I'm going to say something that took me a long time to accept. You are not the smartest person in every room, neither am I. And the moment you accept that, truly accept it, everything changes. Look at any successful person in history. Behind every self-made story, there's a team, a mentor, a network. The PayPal Mafia, a group of people who worked together, went on to create YouTube, LinkedIn, SpaceX, Yelp. Together, they changed the world. Individually, they were just smart people. Find where your skills meet someone else's gap. That's where the money is. Right now, there are thousands of business owners who are completely lost when it comes to technology, and they need someone who does. That someone could be you. You don't need to start a billion-dollar company tomorrow. You just need to be useful to someone who already has something built. Never be too proud to ask for help or to give it. This one is sneaky because it doesn't feel like a mistake when it's happening. You ask 5 people for advice on starting a business. They each say something different. You ask 5 more. Now you have 10 opinions and 0 action. That's not research. That's paralysis with extra steps. Every opinion is an arrow pulling you somewhere. Too many arrows and you don't move at all. I start from the end. What do I actually want? Not in vague terms, specifically. Then I work backwards. One mentor who's done what you want to do is worth more than 1,000 Reddit threads. Absorb one thing at a time, apply it, see what happens, then seek the next piece of knowledge. Simplify, focus, move. So far, we covered 4 mistakes that keep most people broke. Working only for money, buying the luxury lifestyle too early, trying to do everything alone, listening to too many opinions. But mistake number 5, that one is different. It's the one nobody talks about. And honestly, it took me the longest to figure out. I'm not going to rush this one. It deserves its own video, a full breakdown, because if you get this wrong, the other 4 don't even matter.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.